Everyone, I'd like to talk to you about the original structure of bachata because it's pretty much misunderstood, or people invent things and steps that are not or were not even included in the original structure. First is the box step, okay? That's either derived from Cuban bolero or bolero for that matter. There are at least three versions of it, okay, that I know of. There are no other versions. That's number one. Number two, side step. This is very, very much different from what we call side-to-side traveling steps, which were never included or part of the original bachata. Okay. Third is the back steps. Um, Fourth is the side step. I think I already said side step. Okay, front steps. Okay, is the fourth. Fifth is stationary, or we call it in place. Okay, we could still do that side to side, but without moving to the side. It's just stationary, and it's still part of the structure, which is the stationary. And then the sixth one would be what we call a 180-degree turn, or a 180-degree rotation. It's just basically just switching on the other side of the road, so to speak. So to demonstrate the structure of bachata, I'd like to show you some of it. I'm gonna try to attempt to show you some of it. Okay, there we go. I think in that order: side step, or actually box step first. Okay. One, two, three, four, six, seven, eight. Six, seven, eight. Now, mind you, this is the count for bachata: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, if we were to do it in a bolero beat, it's very simple. All you have to do is 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 2, 3. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. So we just basically omitted the fourth beat, which is just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, the side step. That is side step. You don't do. That is not part of bachata, okay? So, just to give you a little idea of what it is. And then the front step is another different thing, because now we're just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So if I were to do it on the side, just basically going right here, going right here, going right here, and going right there. And the back step is very simple. I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now the front and back are what we call a forward backward step. Now you have to remember that this is not the traveling forward backward. For example, if I were to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, because even in the original structure, you don't even see that. It is very similar, however, to the salsa steps, which is the forward backward. All we needed to do, or all the founders needed to do, is basically just add a tap or a step on the fourth and eighth beat. For example, if I go right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a forward backward with a 4 count. Okay? And what is next? The next part is probably the last one, the 180-degree turn. That is usually done with a partner. And it's very simple. All you need to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the question is, do you always have to turn right? Not necessarily. You could turn left as well, like I did simultaneously this way. I could go start 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's the structure. This, it was never part of the structure. And so when somebody tell you it's evolved from, they're not talking about the original structure. And the side-to-side step, which is what we call a traveling steps right here, is really responsible and logically so for salsa dancers and other genres, another genres of dance, because now they can do dips, now they can do turns. It makes sense going here from side to side. You can even spin them right here, dip them right there, all kinds. And so, however, in the original structure that I just showed you, it's almost impossible to spin them, to even do a lot of patterns. And so that's why you see our original bachata, it doesn't have that much patterns. It has footwork, yes. It doesn't have that much dips. It doesn't have a lot, not even body rolls for that matter. So that's just to set the record straight, ladies and gentlemen, okay? All right, so now